Here's 5 quick places to buy cheap tires for your business. Now pay attention, I'm not going to repeat myself. Let's go. First place is America Tire Distributors. They carry everything from tires, wheels, and they have different brands from different suppliers. So you guys should definitely check them out. Each one of these places is going to need you to have a wholesale account. So you got to have a business wholesale account with them. That way you can take advantage of the special pricing that they give. Next is going to be Tire Hub, tirehub.com. And these guys carry a wide range of brands from your Bridger, Goodyear, Dunlop Tires, and Firestone, and so many others. Next is going to be Discount Tires. Contrary to what people think, they also have business accounts where you can take advantage and buy wholesale tires. And as you know, they carry tires of all different brands, so definitely you guys can check them out. They've got a long list of brands that they work with that you guys can definitely tap into. Next is going to be Southwestern Wholesale Tire, and these guys also require you to have a business account, and they have several brands that they carry that you guys can definitely tap into with them. Number 4 is going to be UTU Wholesale Tires. These guys need you to have an account in order to access their inventory, but they are known for their wholesale tires also. If you're a 9-to-5er or a motivated entrepreneur and you are looking for either a diversified income stream or a profitable side hustle, comment the word guide for a link to my rental accelerator blueprint. I show you guys how you can leverage apps like Turo to make a 4 to 6 figure income. If you guys are ready to level up, comment the word guide, and I'll see you guys there.